The library recently acquired the rights to Mumps cartoons, and so what I'm doing now is taking photographs of the cartoons in the newspapers and making a note of the edition and the page and the story that the cartoon relates to. It's probably taking far longer than it should because it's papers from the 1990s, so I remember events, and it's very interesting in that nothing has changed since then in terms of what's subjects of the day in politics. The best thing is that Wales is better at rugby and football than it was in the 1990s, I'm pleased to say. I find the library such an interesting place to volunteer in, and the people here are very friendly. It's an atmosphere where you're made to feel welcome. I'm learning Welsh, and I find that everybody's very happy to help me with my pronunciation and add to my vocabulary. Dwi'n hapus iawn yn gwirfoddoli yn y llyfrgell.